Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and power basics. Open Device Manager and verify a Bluetooth adapter exists. If not, reboot into BIOS to ensure it's enabled. Once done, fully shut down, unplug power and remove battery if possible. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to clear residual power. Reconnect and boot. Then open Windows Settings, go to Devices, and toggle Bluetooth on while making sure airplane mode is off. These steps clear hardware and state issues before deeper fixes. Next, you tackle software, drivers, and services. In Device Manager, uninstall the Bluetooth adapter, check delete driver software if corrupted, then scan for hardware changes or install the latest driver from Lenovo. Make sure the Bluetooth support service is running and set to automatic. Restart it and verify related services are active. Once done, run Windows Update and open Lenovo Vantage to apply firmware and driver bundles. These updates often fix compatibility and radio firmware faults, so don't skip them. Finish by clearing old pairings and adding the device anew. You should use the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter if pairing fails. Make sure any FN key radio toggle or physical wireless switch isn't disabling Bluetooth. If connections drop, test with another Bluetooth peripheral to isolate the issue. As a last resort, roll back or try an older driver, and if the internal adapter remains faulty, use a USB Bluetooth dongle. If hardware fault seems evident, contact Lenovo support for repair options or warranty service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.